Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get meat in 7 days to die. This is going to be useful for feeding yourself using the recipes for, let's say, boiled meat, charred meat, or any other recipes that require meat. So to begin, first of all, you'll need to go to a forest and find some kind of animal. Let's say I found some chicken right here. Go ahead and go to it and make sure you've got at least a bone knife to extract it, because this is going to make a bigger yield for the things that you collect from it. Also, there are the hunting knife and machete. And as you can see, when you cut it and you gather chicken, it is going to give you some meat. Also, be aware it is going to make you smell and attract zombies depending on the amount of meat that you carry on yourself. You can counter this by crafting the raw meat bundle from 5 raw meat, paper, and plant fibers, so that it prevents unwanted attention. And this is pretty much all how to get meat in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.